Hi, my name is Mr. Evans. This is Algebra 1 welcome video for 2023-2024. Here's my contact information, evansdj@pwcs.edu, or you can call the school phone number. Really looking forward to a great year. This is my 21st year teaching, all 21 years in Prince William County. This is my 5th year teaching at Patriot High School. I've taught Algebra 1 a dozen times over my career. My students had a lot of success in Algebra 1. They continue to. I'm going to go through the process of the class and how they're successful. I'll tell you this right now, my kids, passed 90+% passed the Algebra 1 SOL last year. So we're very excited about sort of our process in Algebra 1. I'm very straightforward teacher, sort of what you see is what you get. My concept in class is I teach a little bit, they do a little bit, teach a little bit, do a little bit, teach a little bit, do a little bit. Okay, and we're going to run through sort of how the class works. These are the big 4 grades: 80% summative, 20% formative. Basically, every day the kids come in, okay, we're going to do a little bit. They're going to then do some classwork. That's going to go on an online platform called Go Formative. Students have free accounts. Students get 100% if they complete all the classwork, and they can even take it home and finish if they don't happen to finish the class. Most cases, everybody finishes, and it's a great way to prepare for the next day of class. So the next day they come in, they do a summative on what they learned the class period before in the classwork. So that's why they're very highly successful in that. We do have quarter summatives at the end of the quarter, but most of our summatives are very small, somewhere between 3 and 8 questions. So students can get 300% by doing their classwork. I'll stress this, almost all my students that completed all the classwork are past the SOL, okay? So classwork completion is the #1 thing. If you're absent, you need to complete the classwork. If you don't finish the classwork, you need to finish the classwork at home. That's the biggest thing from Algebra 1. If you don't do well in the summatives, there are retakes, they're unlimited, but you need to do 2 things. Complete the formative work, which is the classwork. You need to have that done. And you need to do corrections on the summative you're retaking, okay? That's the only way you get a retake. So if you don't do the classwork, you don't get a retake, okay? Calculator, we use Desmos, the Desmos graphing calculator. So you can type in Desmos graphing calculator into any phone or web browser, and this is the calculator we use. So no need to buy a calculator, okay? The next thing I want to talk about is Canvas, okay? I put video lessons and notes for any student that wants to catch up on things, that missed a day. Also, if they're doing retakes. So if you go to Canvas, okay, I'm going to show you this real quick. All right, learning modules. Oh. Let's see, am I on student view? Let's see, I want to go to student view. Okay, let's get to learning modules. Okay, let's reset the student view. Leave student view. Okay, let's see. Learning modules. All right, there we go. Sorry, I don't know why that was doing that. Okay, so sorry about that. If you click on learning modules in Canvas, we have all the different stuff that we need. We have a Unit 1 UPS flow. Okay, that tells what students need to know. We also have video lessons. So if a student is working on, let's say, combining like terms, you can click on that, and it goes through me. Okay, all right, going through a video lesson of what we covered in class. Okay, or most of what we covered in class. So that can help you. The other thing that's also there is the video notes. Okay, all right. So if you want to, use the notes, those notes are there for you as well. So really, I don't expect students to go home and watch the videos. They don't have to do that. It's just for them if they need extra help, extra guidance. But that's it. That's how the class works. Students are highly successful. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. The retakes can take place during flex or after school on appointment. But the students had a lot of success regardless of what their abilities coming in at. The big thing is do the classwork. If you do the classwork, you're going to be successful. So please reach out with any concerns. I look forward to a great school year.